Shiba Inu Coin has surpassed Dogecoin by the number of followers on Twitter, one of the most popular social media platforms. And check this out. Shiba on Twitter, if I go hover over the number, look at that number there, okay? And then when I go to Dogecoin, when I hover that number, it just surpassed it, ladies and gentlemen, and Twitter followers as well. The weekly gains is doing very well, 25.63% of the weekly average as well. And the top 10 cryptocurrency bar market cap, Shiba's number 9, and Polkadot, Dogecoin, and Solana, we're coming to get you. That's what Shiba Inu Coin is thinking about as well. Now, over the weekend, Shiba explodes as prices show a cup and handle breakout mode, 50% surge more likely. And when I look at the information right here, the breakout target is obtained by the distance between the lowest point and the resistance line, adding a result to the breakout point. Now, based on this rule, Shiba Inu Coin could shoot up to that number here. This number here, a nearly 40% increase from the current price of this and 50% from the previous price of that. So stay tuned. There's more good news coming for Shiba Inu according to the information that we're seeing here. Now, it's having a slight pullback from the weekend, so you may want to consider adding more to your bag because Shiba Inu Coin is definitely going to go to the next level here. And the market cap number 9, they could move up here in a fast hurry. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, the captain's here, and check this out. Look at this information right here. I just warped this up here. What contributed to the rally is the hype of the launch of Shiba Eternity, the announcement of Shibarium, and a number of cryptocurrency exchange platforms listing shit, including Binance's recent announcement about adding SHIB support on their payments card. So it's kind of like a cycle here. Everything is coming down, a ripple effect of good news and positive news that's happened with SHIB here. I am not surprised that we're seeing them surpass over Dogecoin and Twitter followers that you see there. I'm not surprised that they did have this recent breakout because of the good news that's coming through here. And even though that you have this pattern that actually passed and surpassing the price of previous high, what you see there, listen, this is going to go up. Not financial advice, but when some of this news actually come out, like Shibarium and the Shiba Eternity and other good news like this, buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. Shiba Inu is going for a nice ride. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. You may not think this is good news that they passed Twitter and told the Dogecoin Twitter followers. That lets me know they on their way to moving up the ladder in terms of market cap in cryptocurrency. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.